car. Another tiny little car found on the roads. That's my little French montage of cars. Tiny. Just walking down some random side street. Oh, bit of a chod spot. I've seen better days. This old. Just looking at that tower. Nice classic 2CV. They have weird gear sticks on the actual dashboard. See? Oh, it's not the dashboard, it's next to it at the top. I've seen better days, but it's still going. I'm showing you this little Citroen. I've seen a few of these while I've been in France, around this area, the Vendée region. Really unique, proper like beach buggies. Now this one, everyone, is called a Toyota Yaris Cross, and this is the next car that we've ordered. I was talking about cars that I owned. One of my first cars was a Citroen AX. Paintwork weren't in as bad condition as this though, but it was exactly the same as that. Although it was right hand drive, not left. But yeah, anyone is that same as that.